Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to show sample data in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So the functionality that I'm talking about is a new functionality which has been added from Odoo version 14. So if you try the same in below versions, it will not work. So if I go to the default Odoo module, that is if I go to the CRM, and if you check the pipeline, currently we have a data here. So first of all, I will be deleting this data. So if I delete this data, there is no data in the pipeline, and simply I will refresh now, and here you can see in the background you can see some sample data is being showing. You can see even though there is no records, so currently there is no records actually in the table, but in the back end behind the screen you can see some sample data like rough 001, rough 002, like that you can see up to rough 0010. So you can see this is showing in the tree view, and if you go to the Kanban view you can see same effect in the background there is some sample. So this is the thing that I am talking about. This is called showing sample data, just to get idea. So this will be shown only when there is no data in the table. So if you check the table right now, actually there is no data in the table. So once there is no data, it will be showing. So if I refresh, you can see that sample is being shown. So this has been added by putting sample equal to 1 along with your tree view or Kanban view. So this can be used when you have a view that contains multiple records. You cannot give sample equal to 1 along with a form view because it cannot be displayed. It can be given along with tree view, Kanban view, and other views like pivot graph, etc. So we haven't gone to pivot graph, etc., but you can give that. So let's see how we can add sample equal to 1 along with our hospital module. So if I go to the hospital module, you can see I have added a new menu called doctors, that is to record the doctor details. So if I go there, you can see currently the table is empty. It is a new model called hospital.doctor that I have added now. So if you check this, you can see right now there is no records inside the table, and you can see the tree view is just empty, and the message is shown as create your first doctor. So we will be adding some sample data, or we will be showing some sample data for the review and Kanban view of the doctors. So if I go to the pie chart, you can see first of all I have added a new file called doctor.py, and I have imported this inside the init file. And if you open this file, you can see I have defined a new class, that is hospital.doctor, and defined couple of fields: doctor name, age, gender, not an image. And also I have set the security for the newly created model, that is I have set the access rights for the newly created model. And if you come to the views folder, you can see a new file called doctor view.xml, where I have defined the menu, its action and search view, its form view, tree view, and its Kanban view. Simply I have defined a new model and its view. So we will be showing what we will be showing. I'll simply add, along with the tree definition, I will add sample equal to 1. So simply this is my tree view. So along with the tree view, I have added a new attribute, that is sample equal to 1, and simply I'll restart the service. And if I go to the browser, you can see currently the tree view. This is the tree view, and it looked like this. So I'll keep this view as it is, and I will duplicate this tab, and from here I will upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials module. So if you haven't got this module, just go to the Odoo app store, search for Odoo Mates, and you can download our development tutorials. So the module has been successfully upgraded. Now if I come back to the hospital, then to the doctors, you can see if you go to the tree view, you can see something has been coming in the back end or in the background. In the background you can see male, female, other, female, others, and here you can see 14, 45, etc. are coming in the background. And if you check the first screen, there is nothing like that in the backend. Simply you have a create your first doctor, but after adding sample equal to 1, you can see in the backend there is some records has been listed. Similarly, we can add for the Kanban view also. So for Kanban view, what you have to do, you have to copy the same sample equal to 1 and just put along with the Kanban tag. So you have to put along with the Kanban tag. So if it is pivot view, put along with the pivot tag, and if it is graph view, just add it along with the graph view. So we will be discussing graph view and pivot view later part of this series. So let's upgrade the module and see what happens to the Kanban view right now. So if I go to the UI, and currently you can see this is my Kanban view, and from here I will upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials module. So let's wait until the module has been upgraded. So you can see the module has been upgraded, and if I come to the hospital, then to the doctors, here you can see in the backend, in the background you can see name, age 1, gender male, a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like around 10 records you can see in the backend. So this sample will be showing based on how we defined the Kanban view. So right now you can see my Kanban view is like this, only I have name, age, gender. So based on how we define the Kanban view, it will show the data. And if you go to the tree view, in the tree view we have fields like name, gender, age, description. According to that, it will show some dummy data. So this is how you can show sample data in Odoo multiple views like tree view, Kanban view, etc. So if you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe the channel so that you will be getting notified regarding all the upcoming videos. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.